Hi, welcome to the second lecture of section 4. So guys, in this I am going to explain how to write introduction for a problem solution essay. In the previous lecture, I have explained the planning of a problem solution question. But now I'll tell you how to write introduction effectively for the same question. So in this I use three sentence method. So what is this three sentence method? So firstly we paraphrase this statement. Every question has a statement followed by the main question. So the statement is known as paraphrase or rephrase. What do we need to do? Basically we need to paraphrase the statement. We are going to change the words. We'll be using synonyms without changing the meaning. So the meaning should be intact. We can change the words, we can change the sentence structure, we can use synonyms, but the meaning should be the same. In the second sentence, we usually outline. Okay, so outlining can be done along with the paraphrasing or with the opinion. It is optional for the students aiming for 6.5 band, but it is mandatory for the students aiming for 7+ band score. In the third sentence, we write the opinion, and opinion should be told clearly. So here, you must be thinking this is a problem solution essay. So do we need to write opinion? Definitely, we'll not be writing opinion in such a manner, but we'll mention the problems and solution. We'll outline the problems and solution, as in we'll be giving the hint to the examiner. Okay, so we are going to give hint to the examiner about the main problems we'll be discussing and the solutions as well. So that is opinion. We are going to highlight it like such, and along with that we'll be outlining it. I'll explain you how. Now we have this question: demand for food is increasing worldwide. Demand for food is increasing worldwide. What is the cause of this? What measures can the international community as well as the government take to meet this demand? So I've already explained international community is foreign community. Government, governing authorities. Demand for food, के लिए we can say requirement for food. Food items, edible items, increasing, proliferating. So we have discussed all the topic based vocabulary in the previous lecture. Now, how can we write it? So we have this statement. Every question has a statement. So this is the particular statement. We have to paraphrase this statement. The population, now what are we going to do? I can outline like this as well. The population is proliferating at a rapid pace across the globe. Now what is happening? The population is proliferating at a rapid pace across the globe. Population is increasing at a rapid pace across the globe, and as a result, the demand for a basic necessity such as food is inclining. Because of this, now what have I done? This is outline. I have outlined my points. So what is the cause of this? So what have I done? I have outlined the cause. Okay, outline the cause. The population is proliferating at a rapid pace across the globe, and as a result, the demand or the requirement for a basic necessity such as food is increasing. Now, the reason behind this is another reason. I'm just outlining another reason. The reason behind this is the wastage of food. However, it can be rectified if the international community aware the public about the drawbacks associated with food crisis. So the same reason I have explained, I have outlined the solution related to the same problem. So that's what I have done. So first of all, I have paraphrased the statement. How? Demand for food is increasing worldwide. So as a result, the demand is increasing. The population is proliferating at a rapid pace. Outline the cause. Then I'm clearly explaining. Up here we are not going to write opinion, but we'll be outlining the reasons. So we outline the reasons like such. The reason behind this is the wastage of food. However, it can be rectified if the international community aware the public about the drawbacks associated with food crisis. So this is the introduction for the same question. Reason as well as solution has been outlined. Outline means giving hint to the examiner. You need not to explain the whole reason, or you need not to expound the reason elaborately. Okay, you just need to give the hint. So that's what introduction is all about. I'm going to meet you in the next lecture explaining supporting paragraphs in detail. Bye-bye.